Top 20 data science-based project ideas. Predictive maintenance for industrial equipment. Overview. Implement predictive maintenance algorithms using historical sensor data to predict equipment failures, optimizing maintenance schedules and reducing downtime. Customer segmentation for marketing strategy. Optimization. Overview. Use clustering algorithms to segment customers based on demographic and behavioral data, enabling targeted marketing campaigns and personalized offerings. Churn prediction in telecom industry. Overview. Develop models to predict customer churn using historical usage data, helping telecom companies retain customers through targeted interventions. Sentiment analysis for social media monitoring. Overview. Analyze social media data to understand public sentiment towards products, brands, or events, providing valuable insights for marketing and brand management. Credit risk assessment for loan approval. Overview. Build credit scoring models, using applicant data to assess the risk of default, assisting financial institutions in making informed lending decisions. Demand forecasting for retail inventory. Optimization. Overview. Forecast demand for products using historical sales data, optimizing inventory levels and reducing stockouts and overstock situations. Predictive healthcare analytics for disease diagnosis. Overview. Develop predictive models to diagnose diseases based on patient data, aiding healthcare professionals in early detection and treatment planning. Fraud detection in financial transactions. Overview. Implement anomaly detection algorithms to identify fraudulent activities in financial transactions, minimizing financial losses and maintaining trust. Natural language processing for text classification. Overview. Use NLP techniques to classify text documents into predefined categories, enabling tasks such as spam detection, sentiment analysis, and topic modeling. Image classification for medical imaging diagnosis. Overview. Train deep learning models to classify medical images for diagnosing diseases such as cancer, enabling accurate and efficient diagnosis. Recommendation system for e-commerce platforms. Overview. Build recommendation engines using collaborative filtering or content-based methods to suggest products to users based on their preferences and behavior. Time series analysis for financial market prediction. Overview. Analyze historical financial data to predict stock prices, exchange rates, or commodity prices using time series forecasting techniques. Network intrusion detection for cybersecurity. Overview. Develop machine learning models to detect and prevent network intrusions and cyber attacks, ensuring the security of digital systems and data. Climate change impact. Prediction using environmental data. Overview. Use machine learning to analyze environmental data and predict the impact of climate change on various factors such as temperature, rainfall, and sea level rise. Smart grid optimization for energy management. Overview. Develop algorithms to optimize energy distribution and consumption in smart grids, improving efficiency and reliability of the energy supply. Human activity recognition for health monitoring. Overview. Train models to recognize and classify human activities based on sensor data from smartphones or wearables, enabling health monitoring and behavior analysis. Election outcome prediction using polling data. Overview. Analyze polling data and social media trends to predict election outcomes, providing insights into voter behavior and political trends. Traffic flow. Prediction for urban planning. Overview. Predict traffic congestion and flow patterns using historical traffic data, facilitating urban planning and transportation management. Food supply chain. Optimization for food security. Overview. Optimize food supply chains using data analytics to ensure efficient distribution and reduce food waste, contributing to food security and sustainability. Movie recommendation system using collaborative filtering. Overview. Build a movie recommendation system based on collaborative filtering techniques, suggesting movies to users based on their preferences and viewing history.